Welcome to our screencast on Kimai, an open-source time-tracking application for project-driven teams. Kimai is designed to help businesses of all sizes keep track of and analyze their time data, making it an essential tool for managing both time and money effectively. Let's dive right in. First, we'll start by logging into Kimai. Enter your username and password, then click Login. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard. This is where you get an overview of your track time, recent activities, and any active timers. Let's move to the time tracking section. Here you can see a detailed log of all recorded time entries. Each entry includes information like the date, duration, project, activity, and user. You can filter these entries by date, project, or user to find exactly what you need. Now let's add a new time entry. Click on Create. A form will appear where you can select the project and activity you are working on. Enter the start and end times, or simply use the timer feature for real-time tracking. Add any relevant notes, and then click Save. Your new time entry will now appear in the timesheet list. Next, let's explore the Projects section. Here you can manage all your projects. Click on Create to create a new one. Enter the project's name, select the customer it belongs to, and add a description if needed. You can also set the project's visibility and budget. Click Save to add the project. In the Activities section, you can define the different tasks or activities that can be associated with projects. Click Create, enter the name, and assign it to a specific project if you wish. Click Save to add the activity. Now let's head over to the Customers section. This is where you manage all your clients. Click on Create, enter the customer's name, and provide any additional details like contact information. Click Save to add the customer. Kimai also offers powerful reporting features. Go to the Reports section. Here you can generate detailed reports based on your time entries. Select the date range, projects, activities, and users you want to include in the report. Click Generate to create the report. You can then view it on screen or export it as a PDF or Excel file for further analysis. All time entries can be exported to CSV, Excel, or PDF. It's also easy to generate PDF invoices based on the time entries in Kimai. For team management, head to the Users section. Here you can add new users, assign roles, and manage permissions. Click on New User, enter the user's details, and assign a role. Click Save to add the user. Finally, let's take a quick look at the Settings section. Here, you can configure various aspects of Kimai, such as general settings, user settings, and system settings. Make any necessary adjustments and click Save to apply the changes. One of the standout features of Kimai is its flexibility. You can customize the application to fit your specific needs. From configuring timesheet settings to adding custom fields, Kimai allows you to tailor the platform to your business requirements. For example, if you run a digital marketing agency, you can create projects for each client campaign, track the time spent on different activities like content creation, SEO, and social media management, and generate reports to analyze the efficiency and profitability of each campaign. And that's a wrap. Kimai is a powerful and flexible time tracking solution that can help your business manage time and resources more effectively. Whether you're a small business owner or managing a large team, Kimai has the tools you need to keep track of your customers, projects, activities, and time. Thank you for watching our screencast on Kimai. We hope you found it helpful and informative. Happy time tracking!